Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Revell P-40B Tiger Shark build. As you can see, the top coat is done. It is finished. Had some issues with the airbrush on the beginning when I did one half of the plane, and I was like, well, we'll just make it a part two. And then in a rush to keep the tip from clogging. I think my problem is that my paints are so old and there's some crust on the inside of the bottle. I think it got in the airbrush and it kept clogging the nozzle up. So I think before I do any painting on the M3 Lee over there, I'm just gonna order some different paint. I found this olive drab and got excited, and I was like, alright, we're going to get this P40 and the M3, we're going to get the paint on it, but I think I'll wait for new paint. I struggled there big time, as you'll see in the previous video. But I did get the top coat finished. In my haste, I accidentally took a picture instead of a video when I restarted it. But, see if I can do this without messing stuff up here. Give you a visual. That's cranked all the way up. Anyways, our little grid lines are pretty much erased. Got a little bit on top that you can see through. Might, when I get another olive drab, I might hit it again. Just go over it one more time to make sure, because it looks like, from what I see here, it's a little thin right here, right there. But I don't think it turned out too bad. As weird as my little grid lines were, it turned out all right, I think. And we're gonna battle wear this, so not gonna be the end of the world either. Turn it this way so you can get a better angle of it. But I think we'll just put the P40 and the M3 Lee back on the back burner for a little bit. I did get the gloss black and my metallizer paints. I did not get the Alclad chrome yet for the brome, but I think in the next few nights I'm gonna start painting the frame and the exhaust pipes and everything on the bottom side of the brome, because it's been sitting out about a good week here, so we'll get back on that project. But yeah, technical difficulties lately. That's what happens when I get in a hurry. Took a nice still picture instead of the video of me painting the rest of the plane, but it turned out alright. And it's not the end of the world. Everything doesn't have to be documented, I guess, but kind of want to show the whole process if I can. But I'd like to thank everybody for following along on my builds, and we'll see you guys next time.